Okay guys, so guys, I'm going to make a video. Anyway guys, yeah, I'm gonna make a video on Monday, and guys, it's gonna be about skateboarding, and that will be the only leak for today. And guys, as we get closer, guys, I've actually been better at editing, so I know how to use blue screen and green screen, which is really cool. So I'm gonna make sickest editing. And guys, I hope you like my videos, because these videos take me forever. So guys, if you guys could drop a like on the Hasbro music video, that would be nice. And guys, we're pretty close to 16 subscribers, but you know guys, just hit that like button if you want to, I don't know. And anyway guys, this is a vlog squad: Louis and Jules, Cody, Conan, Marley, Bruno, Cooper, and that's all guys. That's all for today. And guys, this was actually just news on the next video. So guys, see ya.